Hi everyone, here is another math challenge. In this question, we have m multiplied by m multiplied by m all over m plus m plus m, everything equal to 6. How do we solve for the value of m?
But before we dive into the lesson, let me quickly show you something shocking from my YouTube analytics. 97.9% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Imagine if everyone clicked that subscribe button. We'd be unstoppable. Be part of the 2.1% that actually support the channel. That means you are the difference. If you enjoy these lessons and want me to keep creating more, hit the subscribe button and join our growing family of learners. Let's flip that 2% into 20% together. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Let's get back to the video.
Solution. From our question, m multiplied by m multiplied by m all over m plus m plus m equal to 6. So here, what we need to do first is to consider the numerator as m to the power of 1 multiplied by m to the power of 1 multiplied by m to the power of 1 all over m plus m plus m equal to 6. So considering our identity of a to the power of n multiplied by a to the power of n will be given by a to the power of n plus n, which will be equal to a to the power of 2n. Okay, from this identity we use it to transform the numerator into m to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, then we add the denominator, we have 3m, which give us 3m, all equal to 6. And this can be given as m to the power of 3 over 3m, which is equal to 6. From here, let's multiply both sides by 3. Then we have the next step to be m to the power of 3 over 3m multiplied by 3 equal to 6 multiplied by 3. Then this 3 we cancel out with this, and we have that to be equal to m to the power of 3 over m equal to 6 times 3 will give us 18. And this is equal to, so from here we can consider this. So from here, the next step can be written as m to the power of 3 over m to the power of 1 equal to 18. So considering the rule of exponents, this can then be written as m to the power of 3 then minus 1 equal to 18. So if we have expression of this nature, the power will be subtract. So we have the next step to be equal to m to the power of 3 minus 1 give us 2 equal to 18. So we can now take the square root of both sides. We have square root is equal to square root of m squared then equal to square root of 18. So here these two we go with the square root and we are left with m, which is equal to plus or minus 18. Now we can now simplify this as m equal to plus or minus square root of 9 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2, and this is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is equal to 3, then square root of 2, which should be the value of m. It implies that m is equal to 3 square root 2, or m is equal to minus 3 square root 2. So, having gotten this value of m, we can as well verify the value from our earlier question. For the verification of our value of m, so we can take either one of the two values of m, which imply m is equal to 3 square root 2, or m equals to minus 3 square root 2. Either one of these two values we use to verify our solution. So let's take one of these two values of m. So this is m1 and this will be m2. Now, considering this m1, we have 3 square root 2 multiplied by 3 square root 2, then multiply by 3 square root 2, everything over 3 square root 2 plus 3 square root 2 plus 3 square root 2 equal to 6. Now from here, we can multiply the numerator and add up the denominator. So if we do that, we have the next step to be equal to this multiplied by this. We have 3 multiplied by 3, then square root 2 multiplied by square root 2, we have square root 2 multiplied by square root 2, then we have 3 square root 2 all over this. The whole of the denominator will be given by 3 times, so we have 3 of these. Then we write 3, we have 3 square root 2. So this stands for the whole of the denominator, and everything will be equal to 6. So we can multiply this. We have 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9. Then this we multiply together, we have 2 multiplied by 2, then 3 square root 2 all over 3 into 3 square root 2 all equal to 6. Then this will be given as equal to 9. This multiply each other, we have 4, and then we have into bracket 3 square root 2 all over 3. We can bring this 3 out, so multiply by 3, then we have square root 2 will be equal to 6, and this is equal to 9 square root of 4 is given as 2. So we have into bracket 3 square root 2 all over 3 multiplied by 3, we have 9, then square root 2 equal to 6. So this gives us equal to 18 into bracket 3 square root 2 all over 9 square root 2 equal to 6. So 18 divide 9 here 1, then 9 in 18 we have 2. Then this square root 2 cancel out with this square root 2. Then we are left with 2 multiplied by 3. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Will that be equal to each other? So 2 times 3 give us 6, and that will be equal to 6. So this proves our value of m is correct for the left hand side equal to the right hand side. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Let's grow this channel to a bigger audience. And I will see you in the next interesting lesson. Bye for now.